Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lost in Canada. So today I am gonna do a vlog sort of a video just to take you around Toronto and just show you what I have been up to this week. So let's go.
1, 2, 3, funky.
So I'm just heading for lunch because today all the patios are open in Toronto and Peel region, so that is amazing. Outdoor dining has started and also retail stores were also open. So baby steps and we will be out of lockdown soon. I'm so happy, and I know we all have to be safe even though things are open, and that's why I'm going for lunch. But I'm just going to a small cafe where the capacity is only 10 people at a time, so I will be super safe for sure. Keep sanitizing, and so I'm going to Cafe Landwer. That is an amazing spot. And also I know that because I have been there previously, and they do take amazing care. They sanitize their tables and all that, so it's super safe. So I'm gonna take you along with me and just show you how it feels to finally be back at the patios and just enjoying my time. So as you guys saw, we were at Cafe Landwer, and this is the first day when the outdoor dining is open in Toronto. So that is amazing. You can go to patios and chill all over again. It was so exciting for me. I got out of the house after so long with Somil. So we went out for lunch, and the weather is also so beautiful. It's literally 10 degrees, guys, and in Canada 10 degrees is called as a good weather because you can just go out wearing a simple plain jacket like I have, and that's it. So just walking around because of the good weather, just taking advantage of this sunny day and just walking around the block. Now we are walking towards home. It's a long walk, but it's okay. So these are some stores near our house. So I'm back home. It was such a long walk. It literally took me 30 minutes to walk from Cafe Landwer to my house, which isn't so bad because honestly in Canada most of the people prefer walking, especially when it is summertime or it is like 10-12 degrees outside. It's just good for walking, and that's what we did. But it is tiring, and it was so sunny that now I just feel so weak. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna chill for a bit, and then I have my massage appointment, and I'll take you along with me. It's really cool here because you have your group insurance and your massage therapy, physio, chiropractors, all of that is covered in your group insurance. So that is amazing, and just taking advantage of my insurance. So in my plan, so every plan is different, depends on which company you are working for. For me, all these paramedical services are covered for 90%. So 90% is paid by my insurance, and I just have to pay 10%. So that's so cheap. That's why I just make it a point to go once every month to do my massage, because you really need it, especially when you're working from home, because it's so stressful. You are always doing a desk job, so that's why you need the massage. At least I need it for myself. So I'm gonna be heading there, and I'll take you with me in my experience. Hi guys, just going to the massage parlor, and here it is. Let's go. So I'm finally back at home. The massage was amazing, so relaxing. I would definitely recommend all of you to go and use the massage therapy. If it is covered for you guys in group insurance, definitely make use of it. Very relaxing. Unfortunately, I could not shoot as much that I planned to, but I have shot a few bits here and there, and obviously you might have seen that clip already. But yeah, it was fun. Now let's talk about the outdoor dining situation in Toronto. As you saw, we did go to Cafe Landward to eat today, but there are few changes now since the patios have started. So the waiting list is very long. The only reason is because they only allow 10 people at a time to sit and eat. So that means long waiting hours, but that's okay. We have to deal with it. Also, another thing that now what all restaurants are implementing is like you can occupy only for certain hours at a time. So for Cafe Landward, we could only use the table for 1.5 hours. But every restaurant is different. Some restaurants only allow you for an hour to sit, or 2 hours, or 1.5 hours. So really depends on which restaurant you go to and how much is their waiting time. So yeah, a little inconvenient, but it's okay as long as we have a chance now to get out finally from our houses. So there's so much that you can expect, but yeah, but still fun. Be extremely safe if you guys are planning to go to outdoor dining. Definitely keep sanitizing, and yeah. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Sunday, and I went today for my first driving lesson in Toronto. It was so good. Definitely I was so nervous, but the instructor was really good, and I went and I learned today for the first time. It was fun, scary but fun, and yeah, like I couldn't shoot that much, obviously, for obvious reasons, because I'm not yet confident and it was my first class, so I didn't want to get distracted by shooting the vlog or anything. So, but I have a small clip, so you can see that now. Yeah, it was just a second clip, but I will definitely try taking more as and when I keep getting confident. I will try shooting, but I am currently on my G1 license. I got my G1, I gave my test, and now I have my learner's license, so just learning. I have not yet booked my G2 test, but I will soon because the next date available is in July, so that's a long wait. Here it is kind of crazy because the wait is really long, especially during COVID, and now there is some kind of rule that if you are in a colored zone area, then you can only go and give your test from the same colored zone area. So for example, Toronto is in gray zone right now in terms of lockdown, and if I want to, for example, give a test in Oshawa, so that is in red zone, and I cannot go to that place to give my test because I have to also be from red zone area. So that is something that has caused delays in booking driving tests, but nevertheless I'm going to keep learning just so that I be perfect and I'm done in my first test itself. So good for me, I get more time to kind of learn, get used to driving, get confident on roads, and yeah, fingers crossed I learn fast. But that's it for me now. This is a short vlog, I know, but don't worry, I will be doing more vlogs. Comment below if you like it, or if you want to see more of some informational videos, let me know and I will definitely do that. But if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Let's make it big, guys. We take it to 100 subscribers. That's all I want. And also, it's time for the recommendation of the week. Okay, I think it's an obvious recommendation for today's video because I have already spoken about this cafe. Yes, it's the same cafe that I went to. That's Cafe Landwehr. You have to go there. You have to. They have 2-3 locations all over Toronto. The food is amazing. They also have, like, the menu is really vast. They have drinks, desserts, and also because they have the cafe is small, so they have less capacity than other cafes, so it is safe. They sanitize their tables, they take all the precautions that are necessary. So if you are looking to go for an outdoor patio now that everything's open, definitely check out Cafe Landwehr and I'm sure you won't regret it. That's it for me. See you next week. Bye.